Ule tun cuma chuan kan chief minister pulau du oma Taiwan chamek ina Thusawi langai thlang.
My friend Ambassador Boshuan Ger, Sri Manish Sharma, Chair, Fiki, and respected dignitaries, and distinguished members, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be invited as the guest honor for this prestigious Taiwan Expo 2024. Allow me to commend Taiwan's remarkable journey of economic development, technical innovation, and cultural richness, which offers valuable lessons and opportunities. Mizoram is keen to strengthen these ties and explore new avenues of cooperation. Mizoram's strategic location in the Northeast India makes it an ideal gateway to Southeast Asia, which is in line with Government of India's Look East, Now Act East policy. My government is focused on enhancing infrastructure, promoting trade, and fostering a business-friendly environment, for which we have recently formulated Mizoram investment policy. Today, I would like to extend my heartfelt invitation to the Taiwanese companies to explore the potential of Mizoram and become partners in progress. Mizoram and Taiwan share a rich cultural tapestry with similar topography and climate, as both it pass by the Tropic of Cancer. Apart from the similar food habits for which Ambassador Ger is a witness to you all, as he has come to celebrate our biggest festival, Chapcharkut, in Mizoram. I am happy that we have two delegations from Mizoram in Taiwan right now. Let us continue to promote cultural exchange to deepen understanding and appreciation of each other's traditions, arts, and heritage, thereby strengthening people-to-people ties, promoting tourism, and creating new opportunities in creative industries. Mizoram has the second highest literacy rate in India. Each are well-versed in English and are hardworking and honest. With the India-Taiwan Labor Mobility Agreement soon coming into effect, I hope to see our youth will come to work in Taiwan and for Taiwanese companies in India. Education and technology are the cornerstones of progress. I am happy that Mizoram University has an MOU with two universities in Taiwan, NCHU and Ishao. I wish to invite Taiwan universities and tech companies to partner with us for skill development, research, and innovation, and equip our youth with knowledge and skills for a rapidly changing world. Thank you.